I've known Smita ma'am for a little over 2 years now. I would easily say that she's one of the finest traders in the Indian stock market arena currently. Three of her virtues, I think, help her a lot. One is that she's extremely patient when waiting for her levels to come to make an entry. And once she gets them, she's extremely aggressive. And she's very disciplined in her trade management, so she never gets greedy. So that perhaps makes her a winner more often than most other traders. She's also a very fabulous tutor. She's very patient in her teaching and very holistic. And not only does she impart all her trading secrets and styles, but also the frequent learnings that she herself makes in the markets. I would very happily say that in the last 2 years of my association with her, I have seen her generally trading extremely well, and some of the poignant trades that I noticed and she's made a very big success of is the August 2015 bottoming out after the Chinese devaluation, then the February 2016 budget, then the recent Brexit, and the more recent demonetization. I can very happily say that in some of her trades I was with her. I could catch the 2016 budget reversal, to a certain extent the Brexit reversal, and on the demonetization I wasn't as patient as her, but I can gladly say that I've made quite a bit of money having traded that wave with her knowledge.